Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 CBSE school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.bhavansbahrain.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, Bahrain Indian School. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option contact us. If you click this link contact us, you can get one option career. If you click this link career, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Bahrain Indian School. So what is the corporate policy? So they are mentioned here. Our corporate policy is to do our recruitment directly only. We do not engage any external agency to do any recruitment on our behalf or collect any remuneration from anyone for any recruitment. As a process, our HR manager would contact the prospective candidate followed by a call from the chairman or the director. If the candidate is professionally selected, the principal, academic here or the subject heads would then speak to the candidate, which will followed by an email confirming or declining the candidate. So what they are clearly mentioned mean the recruitment policy is they do not collect any remuneration. They will directly contact to the candidate. So candidate must be qualified and trained in the concerned subject. Candidate must have experience of minimum 3 years. So they should be enthusiastic learners with fluent language, following skills and qualities. So what they expect from the candidate: good communication skill, competent organization skill, competent in the concerned subject area, must possess a degree in education is mandatory, B.Ed is mandatory. So willingness to dedicate themselves, positive attitude, leadership skills, willingness to learn more, be accountable, technical skills and computer knowledge. So these are the things that they are expecting from the candidate. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, etc. So what are the current vacancies? So here they are mentioned. Application are invited from qualified, experienced and dedicated candidate for the following position: postgraduate teacher, physics, chemistry, economics and computer science; trained graduate teacher, English; primary teachers, English and Hindi. So if you are interested these job vacancies, so interested candidate with relevant qualification and experience may send detailed CV to hr@bhavansbahrain.com. So please mention the position you are applying in the subject line. Suitably qualified candidate are requested to send their CVs to hr@bhavansbahrain.com. So if you are interested, you can send your CV as per the instruction. Otherwise, if you want any more details about this Bhavans Bahrain, you can check it in the menu itself. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. So you can get everything in the menu itself. The second one is you can enter in the URL bhavanskuwait.com. If you are entering this, you can get this main page, Indian Educational School, Kuwait. In this menu, one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Bhavans Kuwait. So here they are given, they are recruiting suitably qualified teachers for our school in the Middle East. Command over English language is essential. Please mention your preferred country. So they are having school in Kuwait, Bahrain, Abu Dhabi, Al Ain and Oman. So what are the teaching vacancies? Mean trained kindergarten teachers, qualified, trained and experienced teachers for all subject, all grade. Native speakers for language, that means Hindi, Arabic, English, French. Native speaker is needed. Physical education instructor, aerobic dance instructor, yoga instructor, librarian. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV to hr@bhavansmiddleeast.com, otherwise hr@bhavansabudabi.com. So here they are mentioned. Kindly note that at the time of applying, position applied for is clearly mentioned in the subject. Failing this, the application might be ignored. Only a detailed CV should be forwarded, no certificate. So you have to send your CV only, no certificate. So if you want more details about these school details, you can check it in the menu. You can get it from everything in the menu itself. So I will give you to the direct link in the description. You can use the link and apply as per the instruction. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contact. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So this is the third one. You can enter in the URL primusschool.sch.ae. If you are entering this, you can get this main page, Primus Private School UAE. In this school, they are offering few vacancies. So what are the vacancies mean? Teachers, kindergarten and primary, those with experience preferred. Nannies, fluent in English speaking preferred. So kindly send the resume to jobs@primusschool.sch.ae. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, kindergarten teacher and primary teacher, nannies, you can send your CV jobs@primusschool.sch.ae. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. If you have doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.